Hey, what's going on? Rakeem Madison here, and on today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up your Facebook pixel fast and easy, my friend. So with that being said, let's jump right into the content. So we're here on my Facebook fan page. Now what we're going to do is, this may look a little bit different for you depending on if you have a Facebook Business Manager ad account or if you just have a regular one, but for the most part, it's pretty much the same. All right, so we're going to go right here to where it says Pages. I'm going to click it. Then I'm going to go here to where it says All Tools. And then I'm going to go under Measure and Report. And I'm going to go to Pixels. All right, then I'm going to click on Pixels. All right, so now it's going to bring us to the page where our pixels will be. Now, if you have not created a pixel, the first thing it's going to ask you to do is create a pixel. So go ahead and do that, right? Let me see if I can actually just show you how that will look. All right, so I'm just going to click on any one of my pixels, and this is what pops up. Now for you, this is pretty much what it will say. It'll say setup, right? Basically, it's going to have you set up your pixel. So after you create your pixel, right, it's the first thing it's going to tell you to do is if you want to email the instructions to a developer or you want to do it yourself. You want to do it yourself because it's a pretty simple process, okay, for the most part. All right, so what you want to do, manually install the code yourself. Click on that. Then you're going to scroll down to step 2, because step 1 just kind of shows you where you need to put it, but I'm actually going to show you exactly where you need to put it using a capture page building software, as well as if you have a WordPress site, I'm going to show you exactly what you need to know. All right, so step 2, you want to come right here. It says copy the entire pixel code and paste it in the website header. Okay, now I'm going to go here. You see how it highlights? I'm going to click on it. You see it says copy to clipboard. Now we're going to go over to our capture page building software first, and then we're going to go over to the WordPress one. All right, but for if you use ClickFunnels, Online Sales Pro, or any other capture page building software, hopefully they have a tracking code section, so when you're building out your capture pages, you can actually pixel people when they come to the website. All right, so what we're going to do is I'm going to use a template website, just something I haven't even messed with. I'm pretty much showing you how to do this from scratch. All right, so I'm going to click and use this website right here. All right, so Online Sales Pro makes it very easy for you to pixel your website. Now, let's just say this is everything that I want. It's not, right? We're going to scroll down to the bottom, right? You see the destination URL and the page name. We're going to click on Advanced Settings. This is if you're using Online Sales Pro. If you're using anything else, just look for the section that shows the tracking code. All right. Now, I'm going to go right here to where it says tracking code. And it says paste your third-party tracking codes here. This is an advanced feature. So what I would do is I would paste my code into there, right? Boom. I just pasted my code in there. So you see, here's the code that they give me. So when people come to my website, the pixel is going to fire. And just like with Amazon, like when you buy stuff, when you are about to buy things on Amazon, let's say you get to the checkout page, but then you're like, okay, I'll buy this tomorrow, I'll buy this next week. What Amazon is going to do is they're going to continue retargeting you. They're going to continue putting the same product in your face over and over again. That's what the pixel allows you to do. It allows you to keep putting your product or keep staying in your customers, your potential customers' faces over and over again. All right, so that's how you do it using a capture page building software. All you have to do is just paste the code in there and then hit save and preview. So literally, now that I have installed that, if anybody goes to this page, right, what I'll do is I'll actually click view page, right? Now, that's the actual page. So I just went to this website, so I'm sure that the pixel is going to track that, okay? So hit continue, and I'm just going to hit done, and you see it says 12 right now, but let me try to refresh it and see if I see 13 now. Sometimes it takes a little time, but let's just see if it works. All right, so okay, so it says last received 54 minutes ago. Sometimes it takes a little bit longer. All right, so but that's how you would do it on using a capture page building software. Now I'm going to show the people who use a website, right? You have a website and you want to do the exact same thing on your website. Now, I highly recommend that if you have a website, definitely use WordPress. They make it super simple for you to do. All right. So what you're going to do if you have a WordPress site is you're going to scroll down and you're going to go to where it says Appearance. Now, when you go to Appearance, you're going to scroll down to where it says Editor. All right. You see what I did there? I said Appearance and then I went to Editor. Now, I'm going to make this super simple, okay? Because some of you are probably like, that's a lot of code that I don't really understand, okay? Now, what you're going to do on this right side right here, you're going to scroll down until you see Theme Header. All right, so you see this? It says Theme Header. You're going to click on that right there. And you're going to scroll down, my friend. Okay, already, I haven't even scrolled down that far. But you see right here, it says head, right? You see that? You're going to make sure your Facebook pixel is between this and there's a closing head tag. Let me look for it. All right, so this is the closing head tag. The head with the slash in front of it. That's what you need to put your Facebook pixel in between. All right, so let me show you once more. The starting head, okay, the starting head here, and the closing head here. As long as it's in between here, you're good to go. And as you can see, I've already pasted my Facebook pixel within my theme header, right? Between those two heads that I just told you. All right, so there's my Facebook pixel. It's already there. And above that is my Google Analytics pixel, right? Now, if you go back over here and we go back to setup, it'll tell you that you can mix, well, not mix both tags, but you can use a Google Analytics and you can use a Facebook pixel when you're trying to track. All right, so let me just go back so you can actually see exactly what I was saying. All right, so it says, okay, so here it is right here. It says Facebook pixel code can be added above or below existing tracking tags. So if you're using more than one tag, as long as it's below or above, you're good to go. Never mix them or you're going to mess up your coding. All right. So I pretty much just showed you how to do it with a capture paste building software as well as using a WordPress website. Now you need to know if your pixel is actually working. Okay. So what you want to do is you want to go to Google and you want to type this in right here, Facebook Pixel Helper. Now, once you click on that, the one that you want to pick on is the Facebook Pixel Helper Chrome Web Store. Now, when you click on this, it's going to take you to the Chrome Web Store. Now, since I already have this installed, which is right here, this right here, when I click on it, it says Facebook Pixel Helper. Now, if a website has a pixel installed on it, this will show a 1 or 2, depending on the amount of actions that they're tracking. Okay. Now, and I'll show you that in a minute. All right. So since I already have it installed, I'm going to go ahead and continue. You go ahead and you actually install this, so you'll see this extension pop up. All right. All right. So I'm going to actually go back to this website here. I'm actually going to publish this. And then I'm going to take the link and then I'm going to go and open up the web page to show you that it's working on that page, the sample page I just made. All right, so I'm going to open this right here and we're going to look for this to show a 1. Boom. Well, it's showing a 2, but boom, there it is right there. The pixel that I just installed is working just fine, right? Page view and micro data. So if someone comes to this page, right, a ton of people come to this page, and then I create a retargeting ad targeting people who visit this page, imagine how effective that's going to be. So the best example I can give you is somebody goes to a roadside assistance website, and then let's say they get to the point where they're about to buy it, but they're not really sure, right? And then they go back on Facebook and I retarget them with an ad that says, it looks like you're looking for roadside assistance or something along those lines. They're going to be like, whoa, hold up. How in the world did that just happen, right? So that is how you set up your Facebook pixel. I hope that I helped you out. I hope that I provided some type of value. Like literally, I hope that I helped you in the best way I can. Let me actually close out all these pages. Close out this, close out that. All right, so let me actually pull up my camera. All right, so now that you can see me, I hope that I provided the most amount of value that I can to you on setting up your Facebook pixel, and I wish you the absolute best luck while installing this pixel and making this thing make this work for you. Sorry. All right, so I hope that you got value from this video, and if you did, go ahead and smash that like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and with that being said, I look forward to seeing you in the next video, my friend. Peace.